Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I have an incredible property here for you today. This is number 8 Cockatiel Court in Thornlands, sitting on about half an acre. It's got the beautiful pool, it's got the big shed. Come take a look. Guys, these properties don't come up very often, so definitely give me a call today. It's James from Freedom Property.